Welcome to the picturesque and prestigious Lakewood Ranch Golf and Country Club. The grand clubhouse, golf courses, fitness center, tennis, dining, aquatics, and social events are definitely a benefit to living in the country club. But the real draw here is the lush, mature landscaping, untouched nature, stunningly timeless homes lining the streets, and a little Bambi here and there. I'm so excited to present to you 7008 Brier Creek Court. This is a timelessly elegant home built by Gibraltar in 2007, featuring over 3,000 square feet of exquisite detail. The home is set on a tranquil lot with numerous windows and glass sliding doors, offering generous amounts of natural lighting and stunning lake views. The lushly tropical lanai features a pool, spa, pool bath, and an outdoor kitchen. Other notable features are impact windows and doors, high ceilings, crown molding, and multiple living spaces. For more information or to book a private tour on this listing or any of our other listings, please call or text 941-725-3060.